Hello students. So today we will continue our chapter Priyanka's Little Turtle. So in the last class you have learned till that Priyanka asked so many questions to Baby Mol about turtle. Okay. So now let's see what happens next. So Baby Mol examined Priyanka from head to toe. "What are you doing with a turtle?" asked Baby Mole. "Your grandmother will never allow you to keep a turtle as a pet," she added. But Baby Mole told Priyanka how to feed and care for the turtle. After listening to the instructions, Priyanka crept back home. So Baby Mole to do after seeing this why, and without anything she out of nowhere she asked the question that how to take care of a turtle. She noticed that she was having a turtle, so she asked, "That's why what are you doing with that turtle?" So if your grandmother knows about it, she will never allow to keep a turtle as a pet. But then asked, she thought that she want to have it, so that's why Baby Mole give all the instructions that what should she provide that the turtle, what should she feed the turtle, all these things she gave idea to the Priyanka. So after listening to the all the instructions, she took turtle back home. Okay. So the turtle seemed to look better already. Baby Mole had forced it to nibble on boiled carrots and fresh cabbage leaves. So she then had placed the turtle in a shoe box filled with sawdust, coconut husk, and decaying leaves. Kitty seemed to be snoozing happily. So this means states that turtle has a better conditions already. So she thought Baby Mole have already forced to give some boiled carrots and fresh cabbage to the little turtle. So after that she kept the turtle in a shoe box where she put some sawdust, coconut husk, and decaying leaves, so that the turtle think that it was his home. So Kitty seemed to be snoozing happily. That means she was very happy, and while sleeping she was very in place and she was sleep. Okay. So it needs to have sun, Baby Mole had said to her, and it needs water. See that you give enough to both. It must be a sea turtle, but I am not certain. If it is a sea turtle, you will know soon. It will grow enormously. Okay, I think you will should let it to go back to find its home as soon as it gets better. So in the points, Baby Mole has said to Priyanka that it's need sun and it also need water. Okay, you have to provide enough of this both, and it must be a sea turtle. So Baby Mole is not certain about that. It must be a sea turtle, and you will come to know about and you will come to know after few days to sure that is it a sea turtle or not, because it will grow enormously. So she told to Priyanka that it was better to keep to the place where from you have brought it, so the little turtle could find his home as soon as it gets better. Okay. So the next is, right now it may be eaten up and you better put it back on the beach in a few days time, and I know you will not listen to me. So Baby Mole told to Priyanka that it's better you to keep it on the beach in a few days time, otherwise it will die. So I know you will not listen to me because you like the turtle very much. And Baby Mole told to Priyanka that That's the main thing that Baby Mole told to Priyanka. Okay, and Baby Mole was right. Priyanka did not want to let go of her prized package, and Priyanka's books were in her hand. The turtle was inside in her school bag. Okay, so Priyanka, while going to her school, she kept all her books in her hand and the turtle she kept inside her bag. So, grandmother will have to let me keep it, she thought angrily. So, grandmother, she thought that very sharply, and grandmother have to let me keep the turtle in her home. So, while Priyanka reached the gate, to her home, she make a noisy entry. So let's see what happens in the next. In the next class, I will continue the chapter with this. Thank you so much.